Hey guys, we're decorating the Christmas tree. Time to get the ornaments together.
Look at snowman bulbs.
Here I go. Ooh, first one on the tree. Oh, I can't do it, Mother. I'm trying.
Try.
Help.
Try your best.
You put it.
Oh no! Such a Sky's cousin.
Okay, here you go. Nope.
I'm trying to put it on. Let me help you, baby.
Okay, we do it together.
Here. Wait, what did you put this in your ear?
Perfect. Yay! Fidgets put it on the tree.
People probably do that though, buddy, I bet.
Ooh, okay.
Ask your
Go
mom.
on.
She'll say.
No, you do it, Mom.
Mama, what if somebody, you know those earring hole things? What if somebody does put
That'd be weird.
earring hole?
I still
That
have
would hurt.
mine.
Well,
I don't think we're sticking any ornaments in our earring holes.
Earring holes.
Okay, Mama, you
I don't
put
know what they're
yours.
called.
Oh!
Trying to put it up high in this, yes.
Good luck.
Did it! Almost. Did it! There you
Yay!
ladder.
Gotta have the
go. There
ladder.
you go, mousey wousey.
Oh.
Ornament.
Oh yeah, the mouse is right there. Look.
Oh,
This is us.
let me see. Hi, you're hiding in the tree.
Yes, that's how we get double the presents.
Double the presents, double your fun.
If you're wondering why we're doing this on Thanksgiving Day, it's because we feel really festive and we want to do it.
Oh, yes, it sounds fantastic.
And also, we have nothing else to do today
Oh.
other than do our dinner and stuff.
Do the
And
dinner.
Now remember, we have gingerbread and snowmen to go on in between. We're going to do the bulbs first.
We're putting on the bulbs. Okay. Wait, Mama, I help you. Bring me with you, Mama.
The
Okay,
bulbs.
I need one of those little thingy-my-bobbers.
Show me, Tio.
The bulb that does the job.
Hold up your... Oh, very nice. Okay, put it on the tree.
Stick it in the hole.
You know what?
Okay, do
Fidgets, you're going in my...
Dude, perfect? No, don't you throw that. Oh, my
Stick it
goodness.
in the thing there.
You know what, guys?
Baby.
You know why my color on my shirt is so high up? It's because me and my brother accidentally switched shirts. And also I got
personal information.
Okay, no. We're not doing that near the tree.
And also I made pancakes yesterday, so.
I guess I can put music on my computer.
They're just
huh?
telling
Yeah.
them everything.
Yeah. What?
Look at this.
They're like our family, but
Please do, lady.
I suppose you
Christmas
know
music or regular music? Regular?
Christmas.
Christmas.
Well, it's not Christmas. It's both.
Christmas music. We're doing the
Come on,
tree.
boy.
Let's see if Grandma can
He's
find it.
loco, right, Fidgets?
Fidgets thinks you're loco. Alina, you have a new...
when did you start calling me Alina?
You're Lena.
Mom, you taught her that, didn't
No, I didn't. No. Oh, you're beautiful, Mommy. You're a tree.
How are you going to put it on like this?
you? Did it. Yeah.
Don't move too much. Oh, now we have beautiful Christmas trees. It's gonna be a gingerbread, snowman, bread, ornaments.
We're gonna have to put the
Tree.
music in the description, so we still do.
No, we're gonna montage it now. Yay!
Wait.
Fidgets is in the
Oh,
tree.
the star.
The star's already up.
I'm going high.
Look at that, dude.
Ooh, put it ornaments.
Da, 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 da.
Or
Let's see
IP.
how we look.
Bomb.
Okay, we just need some more over here.
Alina,
And then I
let's
think
not
we're
put
ready for
Fidgets
the
in the
other
tree.
Bippity boppity boo. Yeah, I got it now.
Okay,
This is
Fidgets,
the
you
one
sit
who
down.
stole the other one?
Ooh, Fidgets is hanging out.
I'm blurted out.
Hi, Fidgets is up high, you guys. Look at me. I'm on the big ladder to the Christmas tree.
Yes,
Ooh.
how do you like it? How do
Oh,
you like our gift with both of the candy canes?
I like it. It's very nice, Mother. Good job.
Yeah, and don't eat these ones. These are real ones, but don't eat it because they're very old.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more holiday videos. Bye.